Hello, I'm Teacher Terry. Welcome to today's IP English Time class for P.6. And in today's class, dinosaur data. But first, let's go through our homework from the last video. From the class book, page 23, activity 4, and we had to complete the words with the spelling of F or PH. You can see we have staff, photo, phone, alphabet, flamingo, feet, nephew, and wall. So well done if you got those correct. And from the workbook, page 22, activity 1 and 2. So activity 1, we have the F for scarf, PH for phone, PH photo, feet, flamingo, and PH for alphabet, number 6. And then writing a sentence using each word. For example, I took a photo yesterday. Now, for numbers 2 to number 4, we will check when we see you again. Now, today, we've been looking about the Earth. And first, let's have a quick look at this useful website, Google Earth. Now, Google Earth is very interesting. You can see you can go to anywhere in the world. In the search engine here, let's go to my hometown, which is London in England. And you can see here it has information about London. I can zoom in. If I use the button here, 3D. I can also look here. We can see London. Okay, so that is Google Earth, a very useful website that we can use. Okay, so this is the Earth. Notice we spell with a big letter E. Next, we have this word scientist. And look at the spelling of scientist, S-C-I-E-A-E-N-T-I-S-T, scientist. Next, we have different patterns. Now, if you look at these are dinosaurs, and you can see each one has a different pattern. We have some spots, we have some stripes, we have some lines. These are different patterns. Now, on a dinosaur, we have different kinds of skin, the skin of a dinosaur. Okay, you can see here different kinds of skin. And if we click on this dinosaur here, we will see some more examples of dinosaur skins. Okay, you can see in the old days, the dinosaurs had many different kinds of skin. Next, we have this verb, to disappear. Okay, like you see the man, he's there and then not there. To disappear. Next word we have is a big rock, very heavy, a very big rock. R-O-C-K, rock. Now here is a rock that is out in space. Now this one, it has a special name. We call it an asteroid. Asteroid. And the asteroid, it will fall down and hit the Earth. So we use the word fall, to fall. Okay, so what does it do? It is an asteroid, A-S-T-E-R-O-I-D. And what it does is when it comes to Earth, we say it falls. The past tense of fall is fell onto Earth. Okay, so let's have a quick game to see if you remember these words. If I click on the game time icon, we were going out to our website. What we need to do for this game is a word will come up and we need to match the picture to the word. Of course, look at the time as well. So let's try to do this. Fall. Something fall to earth. I think it's this one. Yes, it is. Okay, we'll do one more as an example. Okay, skin. The animal's skin. The dinosaur skin. Is it that one? No, I think that's pattern. Is it this one? Skin? Yes, it is. Okay, so that is the game for today. Okay, next we have story time. But before we look at the story, let's look at this question. What? Now, what, remember, we use for things. So what did dinosaurs eat? Now let's have a quick look at the story and find the answer. So as you can see, dinosaurs lived on Earth for millions of years. Let's listen and read.
Listening 23. Listen and read.
Dinosaur data. Dinosaurs lived on Earth for millions of years. Scientists studied dinosaur bones to find out how they lived and what they looked like. There were more than 700 different types of dinosaur. Some dinosaurs ate plants and others ate meat. Some walked on 2 legs and others walked on 4 legs. Some could fly and others lived in the sea. We know they were all different, but no one knows what colour or pattern they were. This is because there is no dinosaur skin left to study. Dinosaurs disappeared 65 million years ago. Why was this? Some scientists think that a large rock, called an asteroid, fell to Earth from space. This made the Earth much colder, and there was no longer any food for the dinosaurs to eat. The most famous dinosaur is the T-Rex, Tyrannosaurus rex. It was 14 meters long and 5.5 meters high, bigger than a house. Its strong tail helped it move quickly. But no one really knows how fast it could run. Its teeth were 36 centimeters long and it ate meat. You can see T-Rex skeletons in some museums.
Okay, so do you remember what did dinosaurs eat? Was it A, meat or plants? Or was it B, bones? What did dinosaurs eat? The answer is A, meat or plants. Let's quickly check.
Some dinosaurs ate plants and others ate meat.
Okay, so well done if you got that correct. Okay, so for our activity today, for this you're going to need your class book, workbook, pens and pencils. And you're going to have a look at the same reading. Now, it's on page 24 of your class book, exercise number 2. Listen and read. And also, I want you to answer the questions. Questions 1, we did already. Have a look at questions 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, if you don't have your class book or workbook with you, you can pause the video to look at these. There is the reading from the class book on page 24. And here are the questions from the workbook, page 23. Okay, so good luck with that activity today. Okay, but that's it for today's class. So thank you. I'm Teacher Terry and see you next time. Bye-bye.